at pond water, it just looks dirty. What's actually inside it?
It sounds like a science fiction movie.
Ma'am, everyone says that cells are the building blocks of a life.
Life on Earth would become almost impossible.
Ma'am, how are microbes connected to our daily life?
That's right. Think of your body as a giant city.
Wait, so there are many tiny living organisms inside me right now.
Every cell had its own job,
Smallest unit of life.
but not exactly the same.
Can we see microorganisms?
So tiny that we need a microscope to see them.
Today's conversation completely changes the way. Hello everyone, myself Priti Patel, and today we have a very special guest to guide us, our science teacher Priti. Today we are talking about a world that is everywhere around us, but we can't even see it.
And I am Godhani Mantra. Today we are thrilled to welcome our science teacher Priti ma'am.
Welcome to the podcast, Priti ma'am. Thank you for the warm welcome.
We are too, because today we are talking about a world that is everywhere around us, but we can't even see them.
Exactly. Imagine living in a world filled with millions of tiny living things right beside you on your hands.
Inside a drop of water, and even inside your own body, and yet you have never seen them.
It sounds like a science fiction movie. But if all those tiny living things disappeared today, life on Earth would become almost impossible. Let's begin our journey into the invisible living world.
Ma'am, everyone says that cells are the building blocks of a life. But what exactly is a cell?
When workers build a house, they use thousands of bricks. In the same way, millions of tiny units come together to make your body. A mango tree or a tiny ant, a cell is the smallest living unit that can perform all the basic activities needed for life.
So, ma'am, my body is actually made of billions of tiny living cells.
That's right. Think of your body as a giant city. Every cell has its own job. Some help you breathe, some carry oxygen, and some protect you from disease. And all of them work together every second.
But, ma'am, I have a confusion. Are plant cells and animal cells exactly the same?
They are similar, but not exactly the same. Imagine two houses, both have rooms, doors, and windows. But one house also has a strong boundary wall and solar panel on the roof. That's a plant cell.
Plants have solar panels.
Almost, plant cells have a chloroplast to trap sunlight and make food. Animal cells do not. Plant cells also have a cell wall for strength, making them less flexible than animal cells.
But ma'am, what exactly are microorganisms?
Microorganisms or microbes are living things so tiny that we need a microscope to see them. Some causes disease, but many are completely harmless or even helpful. Examples including bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses.
Ma'am, if I look at a pond water, it just looks dirty. What's actually inside it?
One tiny drop of pond water is like a busy city. You will find amoeba changing its shape, paramecium swimming like a tiny slipper, and many kinds of bacteria.
And ma'am, what about soil?
Healthy soil is full of life. It contains bacteria, fungi, and earthworms that break down dead plants into nutrients. Without them, plants wouldn't grow properly.
Ma'am, how are microbes connected to our daily life?
Every single day, friendly bacteria make curd, yeast help bread rise, and microbes decompose dead leaves. Even inside your stomach and intestine, trillions of helpful bacteria digest food and support your immune system.
Wait, so there are many tiny living organisms inside me right now?
Yes, and most of them are your friends. Without them, your body wouldn't function.
Ma'am, now time for the quick fire challenge. Only one or two answers. Ready?
Always ready.
Smallest unit of life?
Cell,
Which cell has chloroplast?
plant cell?
Can we see microorganisms with our naked eyes?
No.
Which instrument help us see them?
Microscope,
Ma'am, one helpful microorganism.
lactobacillus.
One place where microorganisms are found.
Pond water, soil, and even inside our bodies.
Perfect. Field marks, ma'am.
Ma'am, today's conversation completely changed the way I used to look at the world. I used to think only big plants and animals were living things, but now I know an entire invisible world exists around us.
And even inside us. That's honestly the most surprising thing I learned today.
Science teaches us something very beautiful. Sometimes the most important things in life are the ones we cannot see. Every drop of water, every handful of soil, and every living organism has a hidden story waiting to be discovered. All we need is curiosity.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for making such a fascinating topic so much simple and fun.
Keep observing, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious.
Thank you everyone for listening. The next time you walk through a garden, or look at a pond, or enjoy a bowl of curd, remember there is an incredible living world working all around you.
Thank you everyone for listening. See you in the next episode. Bye.